Subscribe to AAN Creation and press the bell icon for latest videos.
Welcome again, friends. Zoom is a video conferencing service that businesses use for remote meetings, interviews, presentations, and more, similar to Skype, Cisco Webex, and other services. Also, Zoom is a popular solution among home users for face-to-face and group video chat. While the service is cost money, there's a free version that includes unlimited minutes for one-to-one video calls, but group calls on Zoom are limited to 40 minutes. If you want to use the group calling feature for a longer session, you can get the Zoom Pro plan for $14.99. In this video, you'll learn the steps to download and install the Zoom app for Windows 10. To install the Zoom app on Windows 10, use these steps. First, open Zoom support website and save the installer on your device. Next, double-click the zoominstaller.exe file to launch the setup. Sign in with your Zoom account, or use the Join a Meeting button to get into a meeting. Once you complete the steps, Zoom will be installed, and you can start creating new meetings, video chat with family and friends, or join other meetings.